Categories in Teamwork projects allow you to group and organize content within a project. Categories can be used to organize messages, files, notebooks, and even links in a project. So here we are in our Messages tab, and you can see over on the left hand side that we have our categories option here. So currently we have all messages, we have an inbox category, a recommended newsletters category, a suggestions category, and we have our messages that are part of no category. To the right of our categories you can see the number of messages within that category. So we've got 7 here for no category and 1 for suggestions, recommended newsletters, and inbox. If we hover over our category section here, you can see that we can manage our categories. So here we can edit our categories, we can delete our categories, and we can add new categories. So in the add category window here, we need to give our category a name. We can also color code our category here. So I'll just go with a blue color here. If our category is a subcategory of another category, we can easily nest our category here and then choose our top level folder. But I'll just say that this is its own category now. And then I'll just select add category. And you can see here that our off-topic category has been added. Now let's say that we want to make the recommended newsletters category here a subcategory of our suggestions category. All we need to do is select our recommended newsletters category and then select our move category to checkbox and then select our suggestions category. Now when we update our category here, you can see that recommended newsletters is now a subcategory of the suggestions category. So I'll just select finished here. So here we can see the off-topic category that we've just added, and we can see our recommended newsletter category as a subcategory. So now that we've managed our categories, let's look at adding messages to a category. So let's say here that I want the pizza orders to go to our new off-topic category. All we need to do is click that message over here on the left-hand side, and then just drag it over to our off-topic category. And then if we want to view all of the messages within a particular category, we just need to select that category. And now you can see that our Friday pizza orders message is in our new category. We can also use categories for files, and this works in the exact same way as our messages tab. So again, we can hover over here and manage our categories. We can edit, delete, and add categories. We can view all of our categories and how many files are in each category. Likewise for our notebooks, this is the exact same layout. And indeed for our links. And that's it. That's all you need to know to be able to work with categories in Teamwork projects.